1. Be concentrated for the quiz in the end of the video. 1. Une poule. 2. 2. 1, 2. 2 packs de frites. 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 chats. 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cœurs. 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 animaux. 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chiens. 7. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fleurs. 8. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 papillons. 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fraises. 10. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 et 10. 10 poissons. Let's move to the quiz time. Can you count this? Let's begin with the easy level. Can you count this porc? 2. 2 porcs. 1, 2. What about these tomatoes? 4. 4 tomates. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tomates. 3. 3 biscuits. 1, 2, 3. 3. Let's move to the medium level. Can you count these cows? 5. 5 vaches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vaches. What about these octopus? Can you count them in French? 6. 6 poulpes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 poulpes. Let's move to the hard level. Can you count these bananas in French? 9. 9 bananes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bananes. Can you count these flowers? 10. 10 fleurs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 fleurs. 10 fleurs. How many answers did you get right? Answer in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more knowledge.